Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to do a cotton candy inspired makeup tutorial. So as you can see, I've already dyed my hair pink and blue like cotton candy, and you can watch the tutorial for that in the video link up here. So make sure you've watched that if you haven't already. And so for this video, I'm going to use the pink and blue as my inspiration for a makeup look. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Let's turn myself into cotton candy. For this cotton candy inspired look, I'm going to make a headpiece as well. So I'm going to insert how to make the headpiece footage in here now. So we're going to start off with a headband, and we're going to use some metal wire and just add some pieces of metal wire on the top, and that's what I'm going to stick the pieces of cotton candy onto. The metal was not bending how I wanted it to, so I'm going to try zip ties and see if I can make those work. Now, it is very hot and humid here where I am, so I'm going to wait until the very end to actually add the cotton candy because I'm a little bit worried that it's going to melt and make a huge mess. So let's get to the makeup. Okay, so the first step is primer. So I'm going to use the Mica Beauty Makeup Perfecting Primer. After primer, I've got foundation. I'm going to be using the Rimmel Lasting Finish Comfort Serum in 091 Light Ivory, which certainly will be the wrong color for summer. I've got quite a tan, but that's okay. Okay, that's foundation. Next I've got C2 Concealer from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Okay, so looking very pale. That's okay, I'll add some bronzer to darken that up a little bit. That is the concealer all complete. The thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this in place using some setting powder. I have the translucent Jeffree Star Cosmetics setting powder, and conveniently that also happens to smell just like cotton candy. Smells so good. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender and go over the concealer with that so it doesn't crack. So I'm just going to do a little bit of contouring using the James Charles Morphe Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. I'm going to use a little bit of blush from the Mini Breaker palette, and I'm going to use Foreplay and Bubblegum. Since I'm doing a cotton candy inspired look, I'm going to go a little heavy on the pink. For highlighter, I'm going to use Ring Light, again from the James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist Morphe palette. Okay, so next I'm going to do my eyebrows. I was going to use Hot Fudge out of the Mini Breaker palette, but I remember I got a new product that I want to try. Okay, so this is the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Brow Razor, and it's in the color 625, which says Deep. It's got a shimmer and a matte, and oh, it says start with filled in brows. So this is not what I thought it was. Okay, so first I'm going to fill in my brows and then I will use the brow pencil. Okay, so now I can use the brow pencil, which says brow highlighting made easy, designed with dual-ended matte concealer and shimmer highlighter. L'Oreal Paris brings a tool to create a look of arched brows to you. Our creamy crayon formula gives precision and control for a highlighted and defined look. So it says start with filled brows. It says trace matte concealer around edges of brow to define and sharpen the shape. And then apply the highlighter above and below each arch. Blend for a highlighted finish. Okay. Okay, so we've got conceal and highlight. Okay, so that's pretty easy to use. Okay, now this is called Color Deep, and I can see why. It is quite a funny orange color on me. I don't know, I'm gonna have to blend that out, I guess. So I've just got a tiny little beauty blender, so I'll just try to blend that out a little bit. No, that looks not great. Okay, so that's not the right color for that crayon thing, so let's try the highlighter end and see if maybe that fixes it. No, this just looks like I drew gold around my eyebrows now. Okay, this pencil is not for me. Not this time. Okay, so for my eye base, I'm going to use the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Base Eye Primer and Concealer, and I'm going to use just a little sponge again, and I'm going to try to clean up the under eye of my brow where that pencil was, and also prime for eyeshadow. This Clean Canvas by Gerard Cosmetics is definitely one of my favorite products. I forgot how good of a color it was on my skin. So I'm just going to start off with the color Brother. That's the bright blue from the James Charles and Morphe Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. And I'm just going to stamp that on in the outer corner. Dip into a little bit of Playground, which is a bright blue color. Put that right in the crease. Well, that's the blue. The next thing I'm going to do is some pink. So I'm going to use the color Skip. Next I'm going to use the color Artistry, which is the purple shimmer shade, to sort of blend those together. Oh, works much better with your finger. So now I'm going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to use the pink on the inner corner and more purple to blend out into the blue. So I've added some mascara and I've adjusted my eyebrows and I've updated the eyeshadow and I messed it up. And I wiped some of it off and I had to redo it. And now I want some more glitter, so I'm just going to use this glitter liner and I'm going to stick some glitter to that. Pink chunky glitters on that side. I'm going to see if I have a blue one. I found a chunky blue one. It's sort of like a blue purple. Alright, so I have added a whole bunch of glitter and I love how this is looking. Very cotton candy themed. Woo! 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 Okay, so I did it. I made a headpiece out of cotton candy and it is melting as fast as I could make it. Woo! We'll add some face jewels. As if it's not glittery enough, I've got these, so we'll add those on. There we go, and now I am cotton candy. Yes, indeed. Delicious. cotton candy hair. Alright, well, thanks so much for watching this cotton candy makeup and headpiece tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my cotton candy makeup headpiece tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you for another video next time. Bye. It's melting into my hair.